Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here, another new addition to workflows, and in this case it's related to if-else conditions and scenarios more specifically. So let's go and let's just dive in and it will make more sense. So if we add an action that's a if-else condition, here you can see there's like a completely new thing. There's scenario recipes, which are basically some of the kind of more common situations with where the if else functionality might be used. And they just basically there's just like you can get access to pre-built templates that just make your life easier, a little bit quicker. So if you pick any one of them, right, there's already pre-built conditions in here already, right? You don't have to look for this stuff. So for this, yeah, it's just kind of you can build out your own, obviously, from scratch as before. There's the availability base, there's the tag, last appointment at, right? You can see a lot of different ones. And you can see here the ones that are grayed out. Usually it's related to like there's a wait action that's in need, right? But if you hover over each one, it says why it is not available at this point, right? Like there needs to be a specific trigger or a wait function or some sort of thing to kind of come before that. But there's, some classic ones. For example, here, has tag includes, and that's like the if condition, right? If not, then it goes here. So pretty simple. The recipe is built to kind of make things a little bit easier, a little bit quicker with the more common scenarios. So make sure to go check them out if you've done if-else scenarios with any of these specific examples. But yeah, if you have any questions about workflows, over here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Yeah, just the workflows, if else condition, anything Funneltopia related, just let us know. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.